Friday, it's me, Fancy Nancy, and today we are doing accent walls with fancy mirrors. I personally love this. I think it looks super luxurious and adds some dimension to the room. So they've done a woodwork treatment in a kind of chevron herringbone almost pattern, diagonal, but then they added slats of mirror, which makes it look really glamorous and luxurious. The space is kind of tight, so I think adding the mirrors adds a little bit of like light and reflection to make the space look bigger. So this is definitely something that you can do if you want to highlight or accent a wall space or even glam up a space. Great alternative. Mirrors are fairly inexpensive, so think about that the next time you're wanting to do a creative, decorative accent wall. And I hope everyone is living just fancier.